guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing fantastic. My good name is Winnie and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Keep on subscribing so that we can reach to 500 subscribers. Okay guys, so I am back again with another video with another simple recipe. We're going to make rice with minced meat, so let's get to the video. So guys, these are what we are going to use for today's meal. So we have tomatoes, they're already chopped. We have onions, we have Royco cubes, we have black pepper, we have turmeric, we have coriander, we have paprika, my favorite onion powder, soy sauce, salt, rice, cooking oil, and minced meat. Okay, so tell me in the comment section, do you usually wash your minced meat before cooking, ama you trust your butcher? Okay, yeah, so let's get to the video. Comment down below and tell me guys, tell me how do you do it? This is how I do it, so let's get to the video. Hey guys, so our meal is ready. This is how it looks. Nishaonja kiasi. Yeah, it's so delicious guys, so delicious. Love it. It's so delicious. Go and try it guys and tell me how yours turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and kindly comment down below. Tell me what you think, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.